Good morning, everyone. I am Rahul Yadav. I am studying in MBA HR specialization. Today we are going. It is the see very interesting topic a difference between training and development. First, we will see the introduction of training and development. Meaning of training: a process whereby people acquire capabilities to aid in the achievement of organization goal. Training is the act of increasing the knowledge and skill of an employee for doing a particular job. Meaning of development: development is a process that increase growth, process a positive change of on the audition of physical, economic, environment, social and democracy component. The purpose of development is a rise in the level and a quality of life of the population and the creation, expansion of the local region, income and employment opportunities without domination and the resource of the environment. Development is visible and useful, not necessary, and inquire a specialization quality change and of the creation of conditions. Difference between training and development: training, it is a short term process. Development, it is a long term process. Training, it utilizes systematic and organized produced by the which non managerial performance learn technology knowledge and skill for a definition purpose. Development, it utilizes a systematic and organized produced by which managerial personnel learn concept and theoretical knowledge for general purpose. Training, it helps in individual to learn how to perform his present job the satisfactory. Development, it prepares a individual for future job and growth in all aspect. Training is a reactive process. Development depth is a proactive process. Training is a result of individual taken by management. It is a result of some outside motivation. Development depth in mostly the result of motivation international motivation. Training process: needs assessment. The first step in the training process in the assess the need for training the employees. The need for training could by introduction thought a demography present and future challenge and thought a gap between the employees action. Second, setting objective. Once the need and indicates the objective for which the training is to the could not the end are established. The objective could be based on the gap seen in the training programs conduct airline and the skill setup development by the employee. Third, designing. The next step is to design the training program in the line with the set objective. Every training program economics the certain issue such as who are the trainees, employmentation. One of the design of the training program is a complementation. The next step is to put is the into the action. The foremost design that need to be the made is where the training will be the conducted either in house or outside the organization. On it the decided the time for the training is set along with the trained. The will be evaluation. After the training is done, the employee are the asked to give in their feedback on the training session and where they felt useful on the thought. Feedback on organization can determine the weak soft at any end can be difference in next session and evaluation of the training. Thank you.